Welcome to this short DrumGizmo tutorial. I will show you how to use the DrumGizmo plugin. So first of all, we want to create a new project. We will select empty, starting from scratch. And then we go to devices and choose VST instruments. We load the DrumGizmo VST. For more info on how to install it, go to drumgizmo.org. So we choose the DrumGizmo VST and it asks us if we want to create a MIDI track for the DrumGizmo VST, and we say create. So what we need to do first is load a drum kit file. This contains all the sounds for the drum kit. So we click browse and we browse to our drum kit XML file. We're using the DRS kit in this case. You can get that from drumgizmo.org as well. So you choose the DRS kit.xml and you click select, and you will notice the progress bar. When it reaches the end and turns green, it means that the kit is loaded and ready for use. So next up, we want to load a MIDI map file. This tells what MIDI notes are connected to what instruments in the drum kit. So and we click browse. Yes, and we browse to the DRS kit again. And we choose the MIDI map XML file and select. Again, you will notice that the progress bar turns green when it is ready and fully loaded. So we close the GUI, and to facilitate the plugin fully, we need to activate more inputs. Default, there's only one channel connected. And I know for a fact that this kit in specific uses 13 channels. So we want to activate more channels. So we choose activate all outputs. And you see they popped up over there. It only uses 13 channels, so we're gonna disable the last 3. Okay, and there we go. We now have 13 channels in mono connected. Let's close this. And before we move on, we want to select the GM map, which is a standardized drum map used for MIDI. So we select the GM map, and now we want to create some MIDI. We have our MIDI track down here. We create some MIDI and we open the MIDI editor. This is the drum editor, and as you can see, we have all the different drums and cymbals laid out to the left over here. We have closed hi-hat, pedal hi-hat, open hi-hat, so on, press cymbals, right cymbals, and yeah, we have everything we need. So let's pop in some MIDI notes. Let's start with a bass drum. There we go. And a snare drum. There we go. Bass, snare, and so on. Just a quick test pattern. Nothing special. And we want a crash cymbal as well. And some hi-hat. Let's go with the open hi-hat, I think. No, let's go with the closed hi-hat. So we plug these in like that. And just for fun, let's just add a open hi-hat here instead. Okay, so let's listen to this. Okay, that's a nice little beat. And so let me just demonstrate. We have the acoustic snare here, and down here we have the velocity levels. So DrumGizmo uses, as you can hear, several different sounds for each drum, depending on what velocity level it is at. And this goes for all the different cymbals and drums and so on. Just move this up and down, you can hear how it plays different samples from the kit. So. Okay, so we have our nice little pattern. Let's close the editor. And let's loop this for a bit. Okay, so now we have, oh, just a second. Okay. So now we have each channel playing, as you see. We have all 13 channels. DrumGizmo is using each channel, which represents the microphone. Each microphone was placed when we recorded the drum kit. And what you hear now is the MIDI notes being played on or into DrumGizmo, and DrumGizmo outputs the correct samples to each of the channels, which gives pretty much the same situation as you would have when recording a real drummer. So, thank you for watching this small tutorial. If you want more info on DrumGizmo, please go to drumgizmo.org. You can download both the plugin and drum kits from that webpage. Thank you.